Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best electric handheld vegetable slicer on the market. The Presto 02970 Professional Salad Shooter Electric Slicer Shredder. If you love preparing fresh salads, shredding cheese, or slicing vegetables quickly and effortlessly, this device promises to be a game-changer in your kitchen. The Presto Salad Shooter features a powerful motor that makes slicing and shredding a breeze. It comes with 4 interchangeable cones that allow you to create thick slices, ripple slices, medium shreds, and superfine shreds. Whether you're preparing hash browns, coleslaw, or garnishing your favorite dishes, this slicer shredder adapts easily to your needs. There's also a handy funnel guide that directs ingredients perfectly into the slicing or shredding cones, so you can just point and shoot without any mess or extra bowls to clean. One of the standout features is the large food chamber, which can hold whole potatoes or other vegetables, allowing you to work quickly without constantly stopping to reload. The adjustable food guide is another smart addition, accommodating both large and small loads so you can customize your prep depending on what you're making. The device isn't just for vegetables and fruits, it also excels at shredding cheese. From hard Parmesan to cheddar and mozzarella, the Presto Salad Shooter handles it all, saving you the hassle of grating by hand. Beyond slicing and shredding, it's versatile enough to chop nuts, grate chocolate, and even make bread, cookie, and cracker crumbs, making it a multifunctional tool for various cooking tasks. Cleaning is a breeze with this slicer. The motorized base wipes clean easily, and all other parts are dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Its compact design makes it easy to store and fits almost anywhere in your kitchen without taking up too much space. In terms of build, the Presto Salad Shooter combines durable plastic with a robust motor, designed for regular kitchen use. It operates automatically, meaning no manual cranking or extra effort, just plug it in and get your prep done faster. Overall, the Presto 02970 Professional Salad Shooter Electric Slicer Shredder stands out as a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-clean kitchen gadget that significantly speeds up food preparation. Whether you're shredding cheese for pizzas, slicing potatoes for hash browns, or creating decorative vegetable trays, this slicer handles it all with professional efficiency. If you're looking for a reliable electric handheld slicer, the Presto Salad Shooter is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.